Still gonna keep rocking this sledgehammer. Nothing gonna stop me.
Bro.
What?
Nothing, bro. You got that.
Fine, I use the fang. I use the Lewis gun.
Nah, it's okay. Stick with your little
Yeah,
Little-
I'm gonna stick with
little sledgehammer. Yo, is that fucking Jeff Bezos? Oh, that's the edge of the map. Oh, God.
He's all the way up there.
I got him, bro. I got him. Trust.
I got him, bro. Trust. Now he's got no health. Hope you guys make it.
I need you to chill.
Hope you guys make it, bro.
In front of us, in front of us.
Yeah, I hope you guys make
Watch
that,
your
bro.
6. Watch your 6.
Oh my
Got one. Got one.
Shut up. Watch your
Tango
six.
down. Tango
Chill
down.
out, Glenna. What the fuck?
Hustle down. Hustle down. One more on me.
Oh, they got me.
I'm mining. There we
Tango
go.
down. Tango down.
Another sledgehammer on me. You win these. You win these.
Oh God.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Like he won't just run around that.
You can't, bro.
He can break a hole in the wall. Hole in the wall! Oh, I see him. Damn, it didn't work. I'm mining my way up there. You can run, my little child, but you cannot hide. Oh, he... Help! He's won, he's won! He's won! Okay, I can't use the sledgehammer.
We don't lose this game, bro. These guys are cheeks.
Yeah, well, I'll be up there in a minute.
I got you.
Hey, they're all up on the roof, by the way.
Okay, I'm coming.
Just a thought. Killed one, but...
I can't climb the fucking roof for some reason. Oh, there's glass above it. That's why.
I know, I didn't see it either. I just accidentally fell on them. This is going well for me, I think. I just get blown up. No, I need my sledgehammer.
Holy shit, me and this guy are ass.
Oh shit, they just stole it.
The F car.
Somebody in here, I just don't know where.
Enemy spotted.
What?
Just live for 2 seconds.
Dude, it's not connect. None of my fucking sledgehammers
Yeah,
are
but-
connecting, bro.
PK fire! PK thunder!
I find that when this rage cannot stay buried in me for one more second, that a primal scream is the only satisfying release.
I flashed one.
I'm actually team wiping. I'm better. I'm better. I'm stronger. Outplayed them. I outplayed them so much. Yahoo!
Shut the fuck up.
Hold up.
Tried a
Empty,
little bit
bro.
of trolling. Glenna, you got to move. You have to move. Glenna, you have to move. Glenna, you have to move.
Really? Oh shoot!
Bro just got smited. Smited.
My your blue buff. Level 1.
Yeah, I gotta tell me what sound effect I have to use for that.
Smite. Yeah, I guess. That's when you go, did this guy really just fucking smite me?
Aw.
Now what the
Orbital
fuck is that
wave.
kind of...
I'm just fucking. Ah! I'm putting Punisher sound effects.
Oh God!
Everything's
Leave
dead!
me alive.
Everything's dead! Everything I touch crumbles.
I Midas. These dudes are on the roof fucking camping.
No, they're that right down there.
PK fire!
The other team is on the roof right now.
Get thunder! PK fire!
And I shit on him, bro.
Unlucky for him. I just want to put the Punisher scream over top every time I do that. Like I just vent rush. Somebody protect me while I steal. Nobody protected me while I stole.
I was healing you. You stole it.
Yeah, but now they're stealing it. It's the heavy on it, so he's gonna steal it. Let's go! Just get out. Just get out. Okay, they can't take it. Losers. A loser. Revive me, I have a sledgehammer.
Oh, we won! Nice, guys.
I smurfed, that's why. Aw.
I see him up there. I'll get him down.
Nathan's gonna fucking cave his skull. He doesn't even know. What the hell? What's going on here, Nathan?
What?
That's absurd.
He didn't even know, but I literally had no, like, I just couldn't reach him in time. Now he's sitting up there with his medium pocket.
I couldn't get to the fucking window, dude. Really?
I know.
Oh,
He's
won.
literally won. I'm switching guns.
Yeah.
You all know what time it is.
Oh, he's got the shotgun.
The DB.
Do you have the cloak? Because if not, that gun's useless. You have to.
Trust me, bro. Trust me.
Bruh.
Can I not break this?
Bruh.
LOL.
One team is team wiped. Easy bait.
I'll be there in a second, guys. I was busy.
Better than you in every way, mayonnaise. I'm better than you in every way, mayonnaise. Get out of my game. Dog shit player.
You resi? Okay.
Yeah, I have nothing, but
Dang.
Damn. Lucky for him, bro.
You're trying to run, it can't run.
you can't run from me. You can't run from me.
Oh, John Burst all over here. Actually, keeping him up. Are you ready? I am.
Heavy moment. I literally just ran up. How do you get that off?
I'm getting vented.
Go to A.
I'm literally stuck on the map, bro. What the fuck?
You got that. Are we on
Not
top?
mayonnaise or him. Not for your ass.
No. Somebody up here with us. Just don't know who or
Oh, they're
where.
fighting below. What the fuck?
Jesus.
No, you're alive. You're alive.
I can't do anything.
There's a sword on me. It's a medium and a light right there.
I gotta play my life on the left. This guy's stupid.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
Chad, he's stupid. They're gonna go and try and steal.
You're just gonna fat rush.
I got one. That's all that counts. I'm stuck, bro.
Oh, bro, there's just...
They put foam and I couldn't get out. It's okay. Oh! We got all that orange steel. That way we can steal.
Better
If-
watch.
Yeah, you win that.
on, bro. Alright, now steal it. This is everybody should be team wiped.
They just got back, but. Alright, we're so good.
Like, we're so much better. That wasn't ranked. 12 and 6.
I'm 19 and 6 with a sledgehammer. He's distracting, bro. Think about how many things I could do because he was there distracting.